Welcome students. Today we will going to start your new topic, types of networks. There are three types of network based on geographical area. First is local area network, that is also known as by short name LAN. Second is metropolitan area network, its short name or abbreviation is MAN. And third one is wide area network, is known as WAN. Local area network is used within the same building or office or school. Means when computers we want to interconnect within the same building, office or school, then we have to use the concept of local area network. This type of network is used when we have limited geographical area. Computers are directly connected by cabling within a limited range of area. In this type of network, we have to use twisted pair cable because it is very cheaper. In order to share the data and information, system necessary to require to be linked with each other. When they are linked with each other, then it forms a network. If they are in a same building or inside the office or a school, then we require to make a small network, a small area network. This small area network is known as local area network. Next is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. In this networking, computers located at different places are linked but in the same city. Means this type of network works within a city. Its area is more than the LAN. Means metropolitan area network is spread over a large geographical area than LAN. LAN, local area network, works within a same building or a school or a office, whereas MAN type of network used within a city. So maximum capacity of this type of network is approx 50 kilometer. For this type of network, we have to use coaxial cable in place of twisted pair. Next, wide area network. In this type of networking, the computers are linked over a very large geographical area. Very large geographical area means, suppose you are sitting here in Kichya and you want to connect your computer which are placed in Mumbai. So that time you have to use the concept of WAN, wide area network. So best example of wide area network is internet because it is largest network of the global. Now see the difference between LAN, MAN and WAN, and two questions are given in the exercise based on this difference between LAN and MAN, and after that MAN and WAN. See here. Feature, first one is full form. So full form of LAN is local area network, MAN is metropolitan area network, or WAN is wide area network. Next feature is network size. The network size of LAN is very small because it works within a building. MAN within a city, so means it is larger than LAN, and WAN means largest. Largest means the network size of WAN is higher than LAN and MAN both. That's why Here largest is given. Cost, when we want to create a network like LAN, so its cost is very less. So according to cost wise, LAN is very low, then MAN is higher than LAN, and then WAN is highest. Speed wise, if the area is very less, then the speed of transfer is very fast. So means LAN is fastest, then MAN is slower, and then WAN is slowest. Then transmission media type means cable, which cable we want to use. So in LAN we will use twisted pair cable, MAN twisted pair and fiber optic cable, or in place of that you have to say that coaxial cable, and WAN fiber optic, radio waves, satellites. Number of computers, in LAN we connect less number of computers, the smallest, then MAN large, and then WAN largest. According to area wise, it will LAN will establish in the room, inside the office or a single building, then MAN city or province, and WAN state, country or continent. These are the difference between LAN, MAN and WAN. Is it clear? I hope all three types of network is clear to you. Network architecture. In your syllabus, two types of architecture are given. Network architecture that is based on functional relationship among the elements of network. This is the definition of network architecture. There are two types of network architecture in your syllabus. One is client server architecture and second is peer-peer architecture. This peer-peer architecture is also known as point-to-point architecture. One by one we have to discuss these type of architectures. First is client server architecture. As the definition says that this is a specific type of network in which the power means powerful computer, act as a server and is connected to other computers that are clients of the server. Means main computer means powerful computer act as a server which store everything inside it. Like, see the example of extra marks in your school. There is one server. This server is only for to host the data, is used to provide the data or information to the remaining class which are directly connected to the main computer. So here this main computer act as a server, and remaining computers means remaining classes which are connected with that main computer is called clients of the server. The server or main computer usually has large memory space, powerful CPU that is called central processor, and large drives like C drive, D drive, E drive. So means capacity like 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes space there. Its client means according to the space wise, processor wise, drives wise is more powerful than client. Client on the network are always send request or message to the server. According to that request or message, server will respond to each client by returning result. It is just like a same example of internet. Like suppose we want to access particular thing, like we want to access our school website like stpeterskitchen.org. So what we will do, first we have to type this website on the URL section in any web browser and then press enter key. Once you press enter key from your computer, from your system, it will send a request to the server and server will find that website. Is this website is available or not? If this type of website is available, then it will respond to the client based on their request and provide the result to the client. Means that website will appear on the screen, means client screen. Clear? Another best example is accessing your bank account from ATM. In this, client computer will send request to the server, then it will respond or send the request result to the client computer. Means always we have to go in ATM machine, just insert ATM card and type the pin, and then server verify your pin is correct or not. If it is correct, then according to that it will respond to the client machine. Is it clear? See the advantages. It provides security to centralized database system by providing passwords. Disadvantage of client server architecture. This system is overloaded and receive many requests from many clients, then the system will slow down. Means if the number of systems are more and at the same time many clients request to the server, then speed of the transfer is very slow. This is the drawback. Next, peer-peer architecture. Peer-peer architecture is also known as point-to-point architecture. So in peer-peer architecture, computers or each workstations are connected with each other but don't have server. In previous one, there is one system act as a server, and remaining all which are connected with the server called client of that system, client of the server. So means there is one computer and remaining computers are connected with that main computer. But here in this peer-peer architecture, all the computers are connected with each other but don't have server. Means in this case there is no server. Each workstation has equal responsibility and capability. Means if the server is not there, then every computer act as a server. If the printer is connected to any one workstation, then other workstation can share it. Means if we want to connect one printer to any one of the system, if we are having four computers like this, 1 2 3 4, these four computers are connected with each other. See this one system is connected with this one also, this one. Similarly, next one, see this next one system is connected with this system, this system. Means one system is connected with all other. Clear? Suppose I want to connect printer with this system, then remaining computer which are connected with this one system, it can share printer. Is it clear? Then advantage of peer-peer architecture, it distributed distributed processing allows to distribute the increased workload and does not affect the system overall. And disadvantage is absence of centralized management system and backup of file. This is a single disadvantage of peer-peer architecture. I hope this video is clear to you. You understand the concept of client server architecture as well as peer-peer architecture. Thank you for watching this video.